शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Hi guys, this is Pooja and this is Ashwini from Amrita College of Engineering and Technology. We are doing a BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering second year.
We have taken part in Shiksha Internal 2.0 and currently we have completed task 1 and we are ready for task 2 and our group name is Ashwini. This is our college entrance and I'd like to make a point that is right till 2017 the college was under the control of Sun Management and right from 2018 the college was taken over by Amrita and I'm very proud to say that we guys are from first batch. The college is located in Erachakulam, Nagarkoil in Kanyakumari district and it is one of the topmost ranking colleges in Kanyakumari district. It is well known for its brand name and the holistic education it provides. Right for the last 2 semesters, it showed a better result comparing to other colleges.
Okay, this is the main talk. As you step into our college, first you will see this picture. This is the picture of Mata Amrita Nayak. She is formerly known as Amma. She is the one who founded this college. You may be knowing about Amrita University Kollam and Ettimadi campus. This is same as that. Within 2, 4 and 6 years, this is going to be a university.
Our college is a well-secured campus. It consists of 24 hours security service and each building have digital cameras and then students are under CCTV surveillance.
Now we are going to discuss about our college, rules, regulation and timing. The first and foremost thing in our college is to maintain our discipline. Discipline is the must in our college and we are supposed to wear our ID as soon as we enter into our college. Our staffs are more concerned about wearing ID and our discipline rather than our academic side. And we are supposed to be there in college by 9 o'clock and we have a prayer for 5 minutes and then we are supposed to take lecture notes in our college and each week we are having a lecture note audit.
A lot of sports events have taken place in our campus and recently also the training periods are between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. Very happy to say that a campus crowd have taken place recently and for that nearly 30,000 people from all over Tamil Nadu participated. Very happy to celebrate such a big event in our campus and to tell the fact our campus is completely a ragging free campus. Students are ensured with 100% placements. To tell you, though we are in second year, as we are the first batch guys, we are eagerly waiting for our placemental activities. And then to tell about the club activities, we have 64 departmental clubs and 15 non-departmental clubs. And more students are actually participating in each, and still the clubs are under discovery.
Kanan sir, he is there for us. So let's begin it. Sir, how do you feel being here in Amrita College?
With regard to working here in Amrita College, so I am very happy to say about our college infrastructure and faculty strength, research and development and career development of our students. So everything is going on very nicely in our college. So first of all, I would like to say the faculty strength of our college. So in our college, first of all, I want to say our college is 1 year old only, 1 year old college only. So in first year to final year, we have the total faculty strength of 72, nearly 72 faculties. So among 72, we have 23 PhD scholars, PhD doctorate faculties. Then nearly 11 faculty members are pursuing their PhD in various disciplines. So we have the special core team. For example, in signal processing, we have a separate core team for energy conservation and power electronics and image processing and all. We have separate core teams. By using those core teams, we have to enhance the students' skill in every area. Okay, so regarding faculty strength, we have the sufficient faculty core team to enhance and to impart the knowledge in various knowledge and various area to our students. Okay, next I want to say about the infrastructure. Here in our college, we have more than 3 auditorium for conducting international conferences and seminars and symposium and all. Moreover, each and every department have the separate auditorium and block and all. Then here we have the sufficient knowledge and sufficient laboratories and equipments to enhance the knowledge of our students in various disciplines and areas. Next, I want to say the students' skill development. So, in order to enhance the students' skills, we have the 2 kinds of teams. One for club activities team, then second for sports and there are sports as well as the to impart the knowledge and to enhance the communication skill and all, to do the paper presentation and quiz and circuit debugging in this reputed institution by our students. So we have the separate core teams. So we have more than 10 clubs in our college to impart the soft skill as well as hard skills of our students' knowledge to competent some various activities and competitions conducted by the MNC companies as well as some reputed institutions and all. So we have these separate core teams and clubs and all to impart sufficient knowledge as well as to enhance the students' skill in various activities. Then apart from this, we have to we are conducting some value-added courses for the end of the semester for all students in their concerned department. So, by conducting this value-added course, we have to enhance our students' practical knowledge. So, we are having the teaching methodology in practical way only. By supporting tools, we are using here the Moodle and Moodle. So in that, every faculty member, they uploaded their lecture notes along with placement quiz as well as the technical quiz and gate quiz and all. So every weekend, the students, each and every students have to take the quiz with regard to placement and gate from Moodle itself. So after evaluation of their students' knowledge on particular topic, we have to do the revisions. We have to teach the same topic to the students at the beginning of every week we are teaching. Then apart from this, we are going to have each and every faculty members have the NPTEL teaching learning process. By using this, every faculty members are doing some online courses through NPTEL, as well as the students are also doing that NPTEL online course. Via this NPTEL course, our faculty members learning experience as well as teaching skill and communication skill can be enhanced. So to be our day to we have to enhance our faculty knowledge in present, that is today's scenario, present scenario level. Okay. Then apart from this, we have some mental, that is relieving our mental stress via conducting some meditation by our Amitapuri campus. Some devotees are coming here. They are conducting regularly some sloka classes as well as the meditation classes to our students as well as our faculty members. By conducting such kind of activities, we are releasing our mental stress and all. We are very happy to work here.
So then what about our mentor mentees, sir?
So here each and every faculty, each and every department, we have the faculty as well as the students relationship called mentor-mentees. Each faculty advisor are called as mentors. So among each mentor, minimum of 15 students are assigned to each mentor. So the students who are all allocated to a mentor is called as mentees. So we have maintained the relationship between students, parents as well as teachers via this mentor-mentee. The every progress of students can be conveyed to the parents through the mentor-mentees group through WhatsApp. Then sending the message. We have the separate Google group. Via Google group and WhatsApp group, we are sending the progress as well as the each and every information about the students in daily wise we have to send to the parents.
So then my last question, do you like to have some views that if we do this, students will be understanding better?
Okay, so before every going to take every lecture notes, every faculty member should know the practical applications of such topics, then how to convey or how to impart such theoretical knowledge to the students without any difficulty. So before we have to teach every topic, we should prepare a model for it. So with a suitable example or suitable practical example as well as some case studies, we have to explain each and every topic to the students by using blackboard teaching as well as PowerPoint presentation. By using such way, we have to convey the practical knowledge to the students.
Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time for us.
Thank you very much for being part of this event. Thank you.
As an electrical students, we generate our own energy. That is, we have a solar field and then we are going to have a vertical wind field. We are thinking to improve the efficiency of vertical field. And then for the placement training, our college is taking more and more steps. That is, we have nearly 6 hours training in each week for placement. We have theoretical as well as practical training.
This is all about our college, and I'm very happy to say that we are a part of this Amrita family.
We have lots of more things to be shared about this college to you, but due to lack of time, we are going to stop it here. And we are eagerly waiting to know what is our third task. And thank you for giving us this opportunity.
This is Ashwini and Pooja signing off. Bye.
Thank you.